Hello everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. And today I'm going to talk about that how can you improve your English in just 14 days, and I have a complete planner. I'm not talking in any accent today because I really want you all to improve your English by actually create your understanding with whole 14 days planner what you need to do. And if you are pretty much serious in learning English, it's important for you to give importance to your English language journey. It's not something that if I'll tell you about the techniques and after this video you will be able to speak English. It's not like this. It's like you really need to put your effort, you really need to put your time into it. So step number one is spend at least 1 hour to listen any podcast in English. This is really important thing. It's just like what happened when you start spending time with people who have rubbish language. You start adopting their language. Whether you want or not, you start absorbing their content. Your mind will start processing in that way, right? Because you whether you want it or not, unconsciously we can say you get influenced by those people. So what you need to do is you need to listen. It's just like when you listen your favorite song, you start singing that song unconsciously, the beats of that song, right? So that's what you need to do. Spend minimum 1 hour or maximum as much as you can. Surround yourself with English. Now if we will say that okay, our environment is not English environment, we are not surrounded by people who are native English speakers, that's not the case. Basically we spend most of the time on social media, right? We spend most of the time to scroll social media applications, right? So what you need to do in this one is like those pages just for the straight 14 days. Surround yourself with English reels, surround yourself with English videos. Whenever you'll open the YouTube, watch any video in English, any vlog in English, or anything that you like of your interest in English for the next 14 days. I'm keep saying 14 days because I really want you all to see the visible difference, that how magical it is to listen and watch and switch everything. If you will switch everything to English, like your laptop language is English, okay, whenever you are turning on your laptop, you're turning on your YouTube and you just see the English vlogs, right? You're watching English vlogs only, you are listening to English songs only, you are reading only English novels. So what will happen? It's just like when English will become normalized for you, then it will become really easy for you to speak English. It's just like, for example, if you move to a new country, then for example Italy, then Italian is a new language to you, but after spending 10 years over there, it will become so normal for you to speak or to talk to people who are Italian, right? Who belongs to that. Because what you need to do is you need to normalize this language. This thing matters a lot. Then it will become easy for you and normal for you. When English will become normal for you, then it will become easier for you to speak and talk in English. Then on that day you don't need to force yourself to speak English. And how is it possible? It's possible if you will surround yourself with English environment. And what's your environment? Social media. Good to go. Step number 2, try to learn at least 3 new vocabulary words every single day. And by learning the vocabulary words, most of the students face this problem that okay, how we will be able to remind or recall the words for a longer duration of time. When it comes to actually implementing those words, our mind goes blank. Let me guide you. In simple words, what you need to do is you just need to indulge yourself in learning the words. Go and search the word on Cambridge English Dictionary, understand the definition of that word, read all the examples, and when you are confident enough, okay, yes, now I know how to use this word in a lot of different ways, then move forward towards the other word. Okay? And again, it's important that once you learn a new word, it's important for you to utilize that word in your daily life, to utilize that word, because if you will not practice the word, you will forget it. And try to associate the word with the picture. For example, if you learn the word excavate, if you learn the word startled, if you learn the word agile, so try to associate that word with any picture. You have Google, write down the word, go to the image section, and okay, associate the word with the perfect picture. for the next time when you will listen to that word, or when that word comes to your mind, so the picture will comes to your mind, so you don't need to force yourself to think, oh, what was the meaning of that word. Step number 3 is speaking practice. Every single day for 5-minute sections, you need to stand in front of mirror and talk in English. Talk just like you write a journal, that how you spend your day to day. And this one, what you need to do is you need to speak in front of mirror and say, okay, today I woke up at this time, I do this, and explain it in front of mirror, right? Do this practice for 5 to 10 minutes. And the other speaking practice that you can do is, what you need to do is, okay, you can watch 1 hour podcast. In that podcast, which line you like the most, select that line and write it on a notebook, and then try to just copy the accent of the speaker. For example, if the speaker is saying, oh, that's so cool, you like this dialogue, so what you need to do is copy the same accent and try to do the practice at least 4 to 5 times for that single dialogue. So you can do this practice too. Watch a video, select 2 to 3 dialogues and try to copy the dialogue's accent for 4 to 5 times. This will be your 5 minutes other practice, because English language is something that you will be able to learn, and it will expand your mind. It will give your mind a spark to think in a lot of different directions and make new friends also. It's a global language. If you will think, oh, it's a necessity, I have to do, I have no other option, I have to learn this language, it will become so exhausting and hectic for you. So try to learn this language in the easiest way that you can. So I hope these tips will be helpful to you for the next 14 days. These 3 tips will definitely help you to improve your vocabulary, to improve your speaking, improve your listening. And the mirror practice and the dialogue practice that I'm suggesting you, it will help you to improve your confidence too. Now, if you want to get free 14 days planner, you can fill out the form in the description of this video and you can get it. If you like this video and learn these practical tips and want to implement these practical tips in your life, go ahead, it's good to go. Take great care of yourself, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.